Hello guys, if you are trying to run AutoGPT in your local and if you are facing this problem where you get this error config object has no attribute debug, then what you can simply do to resolve this error is you go to your chat.py file and you type Ctrl F. This pop-up will open and you replace debug with debug underscore mode, and then you click on this icon where it will replace all, and then what you have to do is save your file, and now you can go to your terminal and run the script again. So now if you'll run this script again, press Y just to see if everything is working fine, and now you can see that uh, ChatGPT is working fine, but you can see that now it is thinking, and if your ChatGPT is AutoGPT is stuck in the thinking place, do let me know in the comment and I will make a tutorial for that as well. Thank you, have a nice day, and please subscribe to my channel.